ever recommended a product or service to a friend and then they actually went and bought it? Well, imagine getting a commission for that referral. That's the basic idea of affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you promote other people's products and services to your audience and you earn a commission through every referral that comes through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a brand ambassador or influencer. Instead of getting paid up front, you get paid whenever a purchase is made. And the best part, you do not have to create your own product or deal with the customer service. All you have to do is find a product or service that you believe in and share it with your audience. Affiliate marketing is a great way for stay-at-home parents or parents that are working who are looking for a side hustle to earn extra income. The right strategy and support turn your passion and influence into a lucrative business. So why not give it a try? See how far you can take it. Who knows, you might just be the next big thing.